Today I'm installing these OEM GMC splash guards or mud flaps on my wife's 2500. First thing I'm going to do is clean up the work area. Get all the grime and crud off of there. Next, I'm going to block the wheels and pull the back tires. Next, you want to firmly put the splash guards up into their position and then mark the holes. Next, you want to drill 3 13/64 holes where you mark them. Take 3 of these U-nuts or body nuts and slip them onto the metal panel behind the trim. You might have to scrape off some of that undercoating if it's too thick behind there. And you can use a scratch awl or a small screwdriver to align the hole with the drilled hole. As I was installing this U-nut or body nut, I noticed that the metal body behind this plastic trim has kind of a U shape to it, and there's nothing for this to grab onto. So I'm going to move this hole a little bit farther out so I have something to actually attach this to. You can see it right here, just kind of a gap in there. All right, with this piece of trim in there with 2 screws holding it in place, I'm going to drill this new hole. And I'll be able to install it now. Now you want to clean this area where the adhesive is going to stick with this alcohol prep pad. Make sure it actually sticks. Now I'm going to install these 3 screws just loosely. All right, with these 3 screws in place, I'm going to pull this adhesive backing off, and then for 60 seconds hold this up in position. Alright, now that this is secure on there, I'm going to tighten these 3 T15 Torx, not over tighten, just get them nice and snug on there. Now I need to drill an 1/8 inch hole up from the bottom and self-tap a screw in. You can see the hole in the other mud flap. That'll be my pilot. Don't over tighten it, just get it nice and snug. Well, this side's completely done, and while I'm at it, I think I'm going to rotate the tires before reinstalling them. Good to go. All right, well that's it. Those were pretty easy. If you like what you saw, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.